Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Chiliz and the CHZ token. And this is going to be a little bit of a sad video for me, not for Chiliz. I mean, Chiliz is very bullish, but the reason is that Chiliz has been very bullish today, and I actually and we in the premium group as well. I must give credit there as well, but I actually did think this was coming. But I was waiting for a bullish breakout above this level right here at 6 cents, which actually happened on the 1 hour time frame. And I saw this bullish breakout and I did not instantly enter. I thought it will retest 6 cents and then from there we'll see again. It did not retest that and it continued rallying up. I actually have proof as well that I saw this coming. If you check out my Twitter, you can see the setup right here. This is what or at least this is the potential I was waiting for. Happened a little bit too early for me, didn't enter, so that's the sad part. But some other people in the premium group did enter, so that's great news. All right, but so we'll do an analysis. I'll tell you what I expect from here and what's possible. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which you'll get my trades as signals. I also send this potential trade in there and you'll learn how to find trades like these. I'll tell you briefly about it as well in this video. But there's a lot to learn, so it's very valuable. If it sounds interesting, links will be down in the description or the pinned comments. So the first thing which actually alerted me on CHZ is that it was transacted quite a lot by Wintermute, which is a market maker in the crypto markets, and they've transacted a lot of CHZ over the last days. All right, so some other coins they traded a lot are Arbitrum, for example, Maker, Compound as well. So they have a pretty good track record of when they are trading a coin, it goes up. So that's why it was already on my radar. You can also see, if we're taking a look at some other numbers, I'm giving you the full picture right here. You can also see that the open interest and the volume actually already was going up pretty by quite a lot earlier this morning. Now it has spiked up, of course, because of the spike. But yeah, doing very well. Still very bullish right now. Like this could actually continue way higher. But we'll talk about that. But that's how I found it. And then obviously like 6 cents and this 200 EMA, that was the main resistance level. So I was waiting for that to break. And unfortunately, I missed that. But now the big question is where is CHZ going now? And that's a good question. I mean, personally, it's heading towards this resistance level here at 6.5 and 6.55 cents. Ultimately, what's possible here, and what actually, I mean, it almost looks like the most likely scenario, but that is that CHZ also breaks above that and gets towards the next resistance level, which I do think will be respected, and that's this area right here. So that's around like 6.8 and 6.9 cents. That's ultimately, like really ultimately, perhaps the main price target is between there and 7 cents. So, but that's such a big area that it almost, you know, it's pretty easy for me to call that a price target because it's so huge. But that's the main target we want to reach. Personally, I do expect, after not respecting 6.25 at all as resistance, well, very briefly, but barely, what I expect and what I think is a bit more likely is that CHZ does find resistance around 6.5 cents and that it will test this level between 6.3 and 6.25. And then depending on the reaction to that support level, will either continue up to 6.9 and the areas around that, or we might actually drop down towards 6 cents again. All right, I think that's more likely. Also because it's weekend, usually there's less momentum on the weekend. So I'd say it's more likely that CHZ will test that level at 6.3 and 6.25. If it's able to hold that for the next 24 hours, I would say it's most likely that it will break above 6.5 as well and continue going up towards 6.9. If it's not able to hold that in the next 24 hours, so basically meaning that this move was a fake out and it drops down below 6.25, then we'll see it drop that back down towards 6 cents. And then from 6 cents, we'll see again whether it's possible to rally from there. It's hard to say at this moment, especially in the weekend. But that is my main analysis. I would say it's most likely that CHZ will continue. But yeah, I mean, right now it's very volatile. So a lot of things can happen. This is, I think, everything you need to know, my full analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. and bye.